In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a pre-made or starter template on DocuSign. If you've been wondering how to streamline your document signing process using DocuSign's convenient templates, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can get your documents prepared and sent off with ease. First things first, you'll need to log in to your DocuSign account. If you have your credentials ready, go ahead and sign in to access the home page. On the Home tab, which is your launching pad for various activities within DocuSign, you'll notice an option that says Use a Template. This is the feature we'll be focusing on today to simplify our document creation process. Clicking on Use a Template takes you to a section where you can browse through available starter templates. These templates are designed to help you quickly initiate a DocuSign request. Once you're in this section, take a moment to select a starter template that fits your needs. There's a variety to choose from, so you'll want to find one that aligns with the type of document you're working on. After you've found the right template for your task, proceed by clicking on the Add Selected button, which will set the wheels in motion for the next steps. Once you've added your selected template, DocuSign will automatically populate it with some pre-configured settings, particularly the recipient roles. This feature relieves you of extra setup work because the template is pre-formatted with designated roles, which makes the process faster and reduces potential errors. The next crucial task is to input the recipient's names and email addresses. This ensures that the document is sent to the correct parties for signing. Once you've entered this information accurately, you're ready to move on by clicking Next, which will bring you to the input field editor. At this stage, the beauty of using a starter template shines through. The input fields required for your document would have automatically been added, as they are an integral part of the starter template. This saves time and ensures consistency throughout the document. Since all the necessary fields are in place, your job at this point is quite simple. You can review the document to make sure everything looks good, and once you're satisfied, it's time to wrap up the process. Now, the final step is to click Send. This action triggers the distribution of your document, sending it off to the recipients you specified. With that, you've successfully completed the process of utilizing a DocuSign starter template. It's as straightforward as that. Now you can see how using these templates not only speeds up the document preparation process, but also reduces errors and ensures you don't miss any necessary steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.